In this video, I will demonstrate how to download the Future Focus Plan assignment from Canvas, save it to your computer, complete section 1, and upload and submit it back to Canvas. First step is to locate the assignment on your Canvas board. So locate the module and find the Future Focus Plan Assignment Form 2021 and download the form to your computer. Once you've downloaded, enable editing, File, Save As. Locate where you would like to save this form on your computer. And then close the one that you opened in Canvas. Locate the form that you've saved on your computer and you can begin typing on it. Enter your name, your instructor, your section and semester you are completing the course. Go ahead and complete your career goals to finish section 1. Once you have completed this section of the form, you will want to save it again. Then close it out and come back to your course in Canvas. Locate the submission link, Future Focus Plan Submission 1. And click Start Assignment or New Attempt, Upload File, and Browse. Locate where you have saved the form to your computer. Open, Submit Assignment, and submission is complete.